This is a 2005 Dodge Dakota. It has a 4.7-liter, 8-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a heavy-duty suspension, chrome wheels, and the heated seats can warm you up in seconds, keeping you and your passengers comfortable the whole trip. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, full power accessories, a CD player, automatic locking wheel hubs, a passenger side vanity mirror, a chrome grille, an anti-lock braking system, a keyless entry system, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Contact us today to schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
Moss Motor is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 1000 Cedar Avenue South in Pittsburgh.